As a CISO, we don't sleep at night already. I knew we had problems, but I couldn't identify those problems, and I don't like being in that position. My name is Katrina Biscay. I'm the Associate Vice President and Chief Information Security Officer for the University of Cincinnati. We are a large Research One institution, second largest in the state of Ohio, with about 56,000 students. SaaS presents a unique problem. We're so diverse and we are so distributed typically in our operations, and SaaS has such a low barrier to entry. Whenever somebody sees a new SaaS tool, they tend to bring it into the environment, which in itself creates a security problem and a compliance problem. Part of the reason we were looking for a partner for SaaS security is to try to corral that sprawl and ensure that we are maintaining all of our responsibilities as to the data safety and compliance. Prior to implementing AppOmni, we were really blind. We tried using some of the native tools, so within 365, the Security Center, Compliance Center, etc., but it was not going deep enough into the configuration. The benefits from the platform were immediate. The platform was spun up very quickly. It's incredibly intuitive to use. AppOmni has been a fantastic addition to our security toolkit. The transparency that it provides into the configuration of the SaaS tool is really unparalleled. One of the first value adds that we saw with the platform was an attack on the ServiceNow servers and platforms. Our AppOmni lit up like a Christmas tree, and we were getting alerts directly through AppOmni. Our platform alerted us and gave us that visibility. We were immediately able to triage, assess, see the impact of the incident, and then minimize any impact on the university itself. Another exciting thing is the training that AppOmni can provide for our students. Our students get exposure to the platform that they can carry on in their academic experience and then in their career further on that will help them to be more marketable. If we did not onboard AppOmni as one of our strategic partners, we would definitely still have that gap in visibility. I am excited to see what the future holds with AppOmni and its strategic partnership. As we onboard more and more services, we will find more use cases and value add from the platform.